In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a slider in WordPress in just 5 minutes. We'll be guiding you through each step, ensuring that you can easily follow along and get your slider up and running without any hassle. So let's dive right in. First, you need to head over to wordpress.com. Now, this might seem pretty basic, but it's a crucial step as it's where all your WordPress magic begins. Once you're on the home page, look for the login button and give it a click. This will take you to the login page where you'll see several options for accessing your account. Here, we're going to choose Continue with Google. This option makes the process smoother and faster, especially if you're someone who prefers integrating their tools with Google for convenience. Now it's time to choose the Google account associated with your WordPress site. Select it from the list or enter your credentials if prompted. Right after logging in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. On the right panel, there's a section called Quick Links. Here, simply click on Edit Site. This option enables you to start making changes to your WordPress site directly and efficiently. Once you're in the site editing mode, go ahead and click on your website. This will take you to the site editor where you can begin customizing your content. As we're going to add a slider, look for the plus icon on the interface. Clicking this icon allows you to add new elements to your page. The site editor presents a multitude of choices, allowing for endless customization possibilities. In the search box that appears, type in Post Carousel. This is a versatile slider option in WordPress that allows you to display your post in a stylish, interactive way. Once you see the Post Carousel option appear, click on it. This action effectively adds the carousel to your page, enabling you to showcase posts in a slider format that engages your audience. With your post carousel now added, it's time to personalize it. You can edit your slider to properly fit your brand's aesthetics and content needs, adjust settings such as the order of posts, the number of posts displayed, and the overall look to ensure it complements your site's style. Remember, a well-crafted slider can significantly enhance user engagement on your web page. Finally, your hard work culminates with a click on the Save button. This ensures all the changes you've made to your slider are stored, so there's no risk of losing any of your efforts. And there you have it, your very own WordPress slider is ready to go. With just a few clicks and some easy steps, you've added an attractive and functional element to your website, improving both its visual appeal and its interactivity. Don't forget to review the final look and make any necessary tweaks as you go. Thanks for watching, and happy site building.